मार्केट एक्सपर्ट सुनील शाह कहते हैं फिलहाल सेंसेक्स में 2,500 अंकों की गिरावट है। यह अपेक्षित था क्योंकि शुक्रवार को जब चीन ने जवाबी कार्रवाई की घोषणा की और अमेरिकी आयात पर 30 से अधिक टैरिफ लगाए तो अमेरिकी बाजार में गिरावट आई और यह नकारात्मक 2,200 पर बंद हुआ। इसलिए यह उम्मीद थी कि सोमवार को जब एशियाई बाजार और अन्य बाजार खुलेंगे तो वे भारी गिरावट के साथ खुलेंगे और ऐसा ही हुआ क्योंकि निवेशकों को लगता है कि व्यापार युद्ध की स्थिति में कोई भी नहीं जीतेगा और यह सभी के लिए मुद्रास्फीति होगा। इससे वैश्विक जीडीपी वृद्धि धीमी हो जाएगी।
Of 2200 negative. So this was expected that on Monday when the Asian markets and other markets open, they will open with huge gap down, and that has happened because investors feel that in the event of trade war nobody wins, and this would be inflationary for everybody, and this will slow down. This will slow down the global GDP growth. This will slow down you know even the countries which are export oriented, their growth, and overall when the largest economy is likely to have a recession, this will have ripple effect on all the economies of the world.
Sir, how do you look at the market health in the coming days? Do you see the market?
Well, it all depends. It all depends on how soon this crisis is resolved. Apparently, as of now, nothing looks possible in the near term, but you never know, and you have to keep hope for the future.
So, if you talk about the investor, what should he do?
Well, investors should buy companies which are great companies, which have now available at a fair valuation, and invest for 3 to 5 years period. Thank you.